everyone, welcome back to Mom and Trey. It's been a while, right? Happy holidays. We are this, you've distracted me, but let it be that way, because then we know you distracted me because I put on the adurag. Don't mind it. Yeah, it's Easter is tomorrow. I went for shopping to buy some vegetables to make for the family. I will be making vegetable soup and vegetable stew. The vegetable stew, we can use it to eat rice. The soup, you know, we are from Africa. We have to swallow. So I will wash it, even if it's washed and packed. I'm going to wash them and start cutting. We have broccoli, a pepper, and other ingredients. I'm washing. It's a lot of vegetables.
I don't know why she bought this many.
Everybody at home, Success is home for the Easter. So I'm going to cook a lot of food. This steak. I have fish, tilapia fish here. I have cow leg. So stay tuned. I'll be cooking a lot of food. Now we are going to cut the leaf. They won't like to cut this leaf.
Careful your fingers. You don't want to end up like that.
No problem. I'm good. What happened to your finger?
I was cutting some onions.
Came together, so.
Mom's almost done cutting.
I'm not.
You're not? You got more? Oh!
I have some pepper here, onions for the vegetable and the stew. I will use it for both.
That's a lot.
It's a lot, yeah. I can reserve some because the vegetable is much. You understand? So I'm going to wash and blend together.
She's cutting it. So when you finish, you're gonna blend it.
You showed it?
Yes.
What's up? Stop putting it up too close.
You will do all those things. Then we put it like that because I want it funny.
You putting it in my face. Show me again. Stop!
These boys.
What are you putting?
Success, you will make yam porridge tomorrow. Now I'm making the vegetable stew. Adding my oil. This and show them this, the pepper and the onions that I blended together. This is it. I'm going to add it first.
That was too bright.
Let it steam a little. We are going to add our paste, tomato paste. Okay, now you can see I'm going to add the meat. With the meat. Add the cow head. cow cake.
Oh, that's
No, not really. This is some stock. From the pepper. Just simple. So I'm going to add some stock. Maggi cube. If you have this, or if you're from Africa, you know what it is, right? Can I have a little pepper? That is black pepper, curry, thyme. Yeah. Some people are here, they want to eat. And garlic is here.
Oh, garlic powder.
So you just let it cook for like 10 minutes. So we are going to add the lid, just like that.
too much.
Well, who says so?
Me.
Okay, they are hearing you. I'm going to add enough.
You can't miss it.
I will. Don't worry yourself.
Too much leaves.
So, that is the stew. You can use it for white rice, for potato. What again?
No.
You can use it. You can use it. That is a lie.
Just eat it.
You just eat it that way. So we got our vegetable stew.
Anyways, thank you guys for watching the video. Like and subscribe.
Bye.